Focus 9, Matamilena Francosa. The resolute technological advance, industrialization, and improved about the perfection, quality, or light on made the condition of the source and nature and the environment, contamination with pesticides, spite indices, the dangers of nuclear radiation and forest fires threaten an ecosystem. Example of positive environment effects or the generation or just the avalanche of wild resources, the improvement on the root equipment en los ben estruct negative the environmental. The concept of this change goes 5 billion on increasing temperature and the fast on the climate change while in the middle and the present sequence. The result of the very right for a business called by increasing temperatures, extreme weather events such as floods, drought, cyclones, and set and with wave affect practically all regions of the planet. Fire against pollution through environment, education, optimize the wide used human, industrial, agriculture, livestock, optimize the waste use human, livestock, mining, and more others. Reduce the generation of pollutants and transfer substances for food use, extract, and the final disperse. To tackle case of feed, environment, Bridgerson, and Rice condemn. Thank you.